So this is going to be a help guide for how to play the easy version of Pirates of the Caribbean for Year 7. Now, as you can see here, I've got a version that's got the numbers. So remember the finger numbers, thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so the finger numbers are here, and I've got the letters written underneath, which you'll do after lesson 1. And you can always check on here to see if you've got yours correct. What you will notice at its bass clef, so because it's bass clef and we're using pianos or keyboards, we'll be using our left hands. Now, even if you're on a phone, it's really important to be using your left hand to practice this. The whole idea of this term is to just work on strength and accuracy of your left hand, so that next term we can put left hand and right hand together, which is much harder to do if you haven't practiced with your left. So, having a look at this, we can see 1's G, 2's F, 3's E, 4's D, and then 5 is C. Now remember, thumb is 1, pinky's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we went onto the keyboard with our right hand, that's backwards because we want 5 to be C, and at the moment 1's C. So if we switch over to left hands, and we go C, D, E, F, G, straight away you can see your pinky is now on C rather than your thumb. So that's where our hand starts. So don't get confused by using a right hand. It will be much trickier to use your right than your left if you're following the numbers. Now, Pirates of the Caribbean sounds like this. That's the first part. So, looking at our music, we start with 2 crotchets and then quavers. So 1, 2, 3, and there's our bar line because we're in 3/4. So we have 3 beats in a bar. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and. So once you've figured out your rhythm, you just got to put that in with your notes. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1 and. Sorry. That is how we play the song. The second line is very, very similar, almost the exact same up until the very end. So practicing with left hands, trying to use the correct numbers of your finger if possible. It will make it much easier in the future if you use the correct finger numbers this term. Once you've finished this song, record yourself, post it up on Teams or Show My Homework, and then you can start on the next version.